Hello guys, this is Sony Xperia 10V and it is the lightest smartphone that I have seen ever. So today we are going to review it, but before that please don't forget to press the like and subscribe button. Starting from the design, most people will still be hard pressed to visually tell the difference between the last few generations of Xperia 10 phones. The Xperia 10V is no exception. For the most detail oriented among you, we will point out that the back side of Xperia 10V has gotten ever fatter in its generation. Other than that, it is still made of plastic and its finish is matte and slightly frosted. It does not attract too many fingerprints or other dirt, which is great to see. All of the other major elements on the phone's rear are positioned and shaped exactly as before, including the familiar vertical triple camera island, but it is still recognizable with the LED flash at the very top. So overall smartphone design is very beautiful and its weight is around 160 grams. Now moving toward display, it has 6.1 inches Full HD Plus OLED panel that supports 1 billion colors and HDR as well. But this panel is 60Hz panel that I think it is a weak point of this smartphone. Now let's move toward performance. You will find Android 13 out of the box, and this smartphone is powered by Snapdragon 695 chipset, and it is a similar chipset that is used in the previous model. With this you will find Adreno 690 GPU, and about RAM there is 6 and 8GB two options are available. So overall this performance I think it is a downgrade. Now let's move toward Sony Xperia 10V camera. The Xperia 10V has a pretty familiar triple camera setup that is quite similar to Xperia 10-4 and even Xperia 10 Here main camera is 48 megapixel, in which Sony IMX582 sensor is used. With this you will find 8 megapixel telephoto and 8 megapixel ultra wide camera as well. Now talking about image quality, it is very decent and we appreciate the natural details. Dynamic range is generally good, but we have seen better. So the overall main camera captures pretty decent portrait shots. However, the background blur can be a bit messy and is far from perfect. Talking about video recording, you can do 1080p on 30 fps. That is again a weak point in this price range. Now let's talk about some connectivity as well. Here you will find Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, NFC and stereo speakers as well, but you will not find infrared port and radio. Talking about last part, battery, it is powered by 5000 mAh battery, and this smartphone priced at $500. If we conclude our complete review, this smartphone has Gorilla Glass Victus on the front. It is light and compact, and it also has telephoto camera as well that is good in this price range. But there are some cons as well, like there is no charger in the box, display is only 60Hz and no 4K video recording on any camera. Guys, in this price range you can check out Google Pixel 7a as well, that is giving you very good features. And at the last, please don't forget to press the like and subscribe button.